Hi, welcome to The Writing Engineer. Today, the free software that I use to craft my novels, to edit my videos, and to make images. Not to mention, format my ebooks and manuscripts. These programs are free in both the literal sense and the open source sense. If you like them, and you do end up using them, please consider donating to them, as the money always goes into making the software better for everybody. Now, on to the free software. Number 1, Libre Office. Libre Office is an office suite that has all the same features that Microsoft Office does, but you don't have to pay any money for it, which makes it awesome for a writer who is on a very limited budget. Now, they do ask that you donate to them if you like their software. And I have found almost no circumstance where I would need Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or PowerPoint over the LibreOffice versions of these things to write manuscripts. There are a few things that the Microsoft Office versions do a little bit better if you're a professional and need to use these tools to do advanced things in Excel or PowerPoint. Number 2, Kdenlive. And I'll put the links to all these things below. Kdenlive is the video editing software that I use. In years past, I used to take videos that I had in my collection on VHS tapes, which I don't even know if some of you remember what VHS tapes are, but they look like really big reel-to-reel video storage devices. Anyway, doesn't matter. But I used to take these videos, and I used to convert them to DVDs using Tex Studio, which was a fantastic piece of software, but it cost me a lot of money. Kdenlive does all the things that I wanted to do. It has 3 separate video tracks, 2 separate audio tracks. It comes with audio enhancements, video enhancements, the ability to cut, stitch, and edit all of your videos together. I see no reason why anyone should use anything else. Number 3, Calibra, or as some people call it, Calibra. This is a free piece of software that you can use to convert basically any e-document into any other type of e-document. I use it for converting the Microsoft or LibreOffice XML versions of files. Those are the ones, the DOCX, with the X at the end, into ebooks. You can use it to make an EPUB book, a MOBI, a PDF, or any other type of ebook file. This is extremely useful if you're uploading to many different types of platforms. Now, it will also allow you to edit your ebooks directly. You have to learn a little bit of web language to do it called XML, but it's a lot like HTML. You should be able to pick it up relatively quickly. I did. Number 4, WhyWriter. WhyWriter is the free and open source software's answer to Scrivener. It allows you to write your novel by scene, so you can take each scene and move it hither and thither throughout your novel. You can also write in the character profiles and save those profiles to a new novel so you don't have to write them all over again. It allows you to cross-check and export your document as a rich text file or a text file. It does have some ability to export it as a Word document, but I would recommend exporting it as a text file to make sure that there are no formatting errors. It also doesn't suffer from the problem that sometimes people will see with Scrivener when they export to an ebook, that they'll have problems with the formatting inside their novel. You export to a text file and then format your novel outside of the program. Number 5, GIMP. GIMP is basically Adobe Photoshop, but for free. I don't even know what else I have to say about it. It's pretty much that awesome. Get it, try it, you'll love it, I promise. Number 6. This one is really for those of you who like to get your hands dirty when you're formatting your manuscript. This software runs on the LaTeX platform, which is what a lot of professionals use to format their manuscripts. It's called Tex Studio, and it is also available for free. Now, I haven't played around with it too much, but I have heard a lot of people who use it really, really like it. It has a lot of nice features, and I'll make sure that I put in the link below to some of the more fantastic features that I saw, which persuaded me to go with this piece of software. Number 7. And this piece of software really doesn't have a whole heck of a lot to do with writing, but if you have your own website and your own email address, you definitely want to get it. It's called Thunderbird, and it's made by Mozilla, the guys who brought you Firefox. I absolutely love this email client. It's wonderful. It does everything that one could possibly want. You can host several different email accounts on the same server. Using the same piece of software. You can switch back and forth between accounts seamlessly. It also has a rudimentary calendar in it and the ability to do email lists. Well, those are the 7 pieces of software that I find invaluable when I'm writing or doing anything with my author profile. If you have a free piece of software that you'd like to add to the list, please let me know in the comments below. If you like today's content, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified immediately when my next video comes out, click the little bell icon. Once again, this is Andrew Griffin for The Writing Engineer. Have a nice evening.